Guess this is the beginning. So this is an L3 H3 2016 Transit, high roof. Make a 4-berth camper, seat 4, sleep 4. Going to put a single here. This double will sit behind the driver's seat. Then here. Bathroom, shower. Here backwards. Double mattress. The width. That is also going to raise from maybe halfway to about here. I'll be able to step under that. There's still plenty of room to squeeze the mattress and stuff. Down here will then be seating area, a TV kind of desk, maybe there, to about there, kitchen, fridge and hob and whatever else. Dieselator already in, obviously first install. So I'm gonna strip these boards off, these boards, and that. Floor will be coming up because that's filthy. These dusty but may go again. I'm gonna have these window type panel bits behind this, similar to how that is recessed rather than flat walls. Here not so much. There's gonna be fixed window, both tinted there. May do the backs. The back, a lot of the van had, it's like a fiberglass. It used to be a all about elf van. So it was semi-fridge van. Didn't have the big fridge unit, but still had the AC lines and all insulated. But so I'm gonna get all this off, pull it off. Was on these doors, so I'll take that off. But strip it out, clean it out. So I got all that off. Door is filthy. It's a good clean. I noticed it should be bonded to the door, so I'll glue that back on. Starting to crack. This side, it has got it. I want to go clean up. I'll clean everything down when everything's out. Okay, right, so that is side stripped, back doors, this side, and all free wood to use, some of it, door. Still got to pull the floor up. A few things to consider though. I need to pull that duct off the dieselator, plus temporarily put wire through there. Don't want to cut that. I'll slice the wood and slip these floor pieces out. So the camera died, and just continued to get the rest of the floor up. Yeah, mess. Very dirty. Lots of foam, which comes up somewhat easy. It's not going to be fun. So, step one, just gonna sweep it all down, get bulk of this dirt out of the corners, and just move it around until I've got as much of this up as possible. So, the progress so far, I've got the bulk, 99% of all the foam and stuff off. So a little bit in holes like that, but shouldn't matter. It's extra, it's clean. So yeah, got it all somewhat clean. Now I started cleaning the door. So just a quick rinse down, get all crap off it. So that's what I'm on with now. Set this up. See me rinse this door down. Do the walls, then the floor. Obviously discover bits as you go. That's the outside weld. So I'll weld that up. Then get to stuff like that after where the bonding's broke. And go from there. Get a fresh clean slate. Okay, so finally everything been cleaned, wiped. Majority has come up quite well. All the bits of double-sided sticky tape removed. As clean as can be in there. All the little nooks, crannies. Still bits of tape and glue residues, but anything covered, I'm fine with it not looking right, just has to be clean. But it's a great deal brighter and whiter in here. Floor definitely wants a second coat. Been in and out while it's been raining, but I'll give that a final clean down before I put the floor in. But yeah, everything now should just be sweep as I go.